Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Woodlands, Richton, Perkinston, McHenry, Beaumont, New Augusta, and McLean. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: George, Greene, Carey, and Stone. What? Minor